Hey, if you're new here, hit that like button for your girl, join the fan bam, comment down below because you know I want to know, honey. FDIY queen. Have a wig review. Your girl got a wig from Amazon and she is all natural, lace front, HD, transparent. So we're gonna open her up. We both have to stay, that's okay, we're doing a wig review. So let's open her up. If you guys like this video, you want to see more, hit that like button for your girl. It's free, don't cost you nothing. Join the fan band, comment down below because you know I want to know, honey, and then hit that button notification for future videos for your girl from one. So she comes with a deluxe wig cap, period. And then she comes in this cute little wig bag. We'll put her down like so. She comes in that cute little wig bag right there. And also, she comes with a strap, just in case you need an extra strap, and a back piece to make her a little bit tighter. And put that right there. And then also it comes with a thank you card. Thank you for being with us. Cute little thank you card. All the information in the description box below for y'all. So put that right there. And then what else she come with? Ooh, well, your girl don't wear lashes unless I have my contacts in, but I might try them for a video. She comes with some lashes. These beautiful lashes right here. And oh, those are cute, those are really cute. And then also, ooh, another strap, more straps, actually two. She comes with two straps, two adjustable straps. So there's one right here, and I think y'all, that is it. So we're gonna doctor her up, but first I'm gonna open her for y'all and we're gonna see what she's giving, the vibes that she's giving. Okay, yes, we're gonna see the vibes that she's giving. Okay, period. So this is her right here. She's an 18-inch lace front, transparent HD. She comes with two combs on the side, one right here, one right here. She comes with a comb in the back, and then she comes with adjustable strands right here. So this is the vibes that she's giving. We're gonna doctor up a little bit. She also comes with, she's pre-cut with baby hairs. And I paid $85 for her. This is the blonde mix, the brown highlighted. She's brown highlighted. We're gonna see the shade that she's shedding. We're gonna see what she's giving. So we're gonna comb her out a little bit. You can flat iron her, you can put curls in her, everything like that, the whole nine. So I'm just combing her for y'all just to see, how the shed, what the shed is giving. So we're gonna do this. Okay, not bad, not bad. As y'all can see, like, we're gonna comb her through. Not bad, child, not bad. Let's do this. You see, hardly nothing, hardly, like, not a lot of shed, hardly not. So as you can see, she's beautiful, she's layered, and I'm gonna doctor her up for y'all. And this is a glueless. You don't have to like glue her to your head, but we are going to do that today because I really want her to stay because I have like multiple videos to record today. So we're gonna get this done, get her out the way. If you like her, the link is in the description box below. You guys can buy it. Let me know what you think of her, child. Let me know what you think of her, girl. So get this together like this. She's cute. I like her. She's cute. She feels like lightweight. She's not too heavy. She's light. It's cute. I like her. I like the vibes that she's giving. A little sheddy, but not too sheddy. But we're gonna fix it. We are her. So I'm also gonna use my Shea Moisture Coconut Frizz Free Curl Mousse right here. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, I'm gonna doctor her up. I'm gonna put her on. Let's try her and see how she looks real quick. Take the glasses off. See the vibes that she's giving. Okay, she's cute. She's giving me auntie vibe. She's giving me that auntie, you know, that auntie that you want me to talk to when you go to like that fun auntie that goes to like birthday parties and stuff. That's the vibe she's giving me. That fun auntie, that nice auntie, that auntie that you tell all your business to. With the long hair. The auntie that everybody wants, period. That's the vibe she's giving me. She's giving me like auntie vibes. Okay, auntie, you better get it. All right, so we're gonna doctor her up. We're gonna mousse her up with my Shea Moisture Mousse. And we're gonna doctor her up a little bit. Okay, period. I'm ready. Are you ready? We ready, child. We ready to go. We ready to get this wig popping. I'm ready to get cute or whatever. I am cute, but I'm ready to be bald headed or whatever. All right, so I'll be back. I'll be back with y'all when I doctor her up. Okay, period. Okay, y'all, so I cut the ends. Y'all see me cut the ends right here, so that way she can be lined up on my head when I put her on, period. And I moused her. I let her dry out a little bit. She shedded a little bit like when I had to cut her and shape her. So we're gonna put her on. Where my comb at? We're gonna put her on, girl. I got my flat iron right here, and we're gonna flat iron. We're gonna see what the curl vibes are giving, and if she's giving curl vibes, then we're gonna curl her. So let me do this. Put her on. Put her on. It's been a minute since I wore like a wig like this, an 18-inch. It's been a minute since your girl did one of these. Okay, period. So we're gonna put this one in. Hope y'all enjoying the music in the background, because comb her. And as y'all can see, I did put my contacts on and I got cute. And we are going to curl her and see how she curls. For the girls, we're gonna see how she curls, honey. She a little shitty, but you know, we're gonna get her together. We're gonna get it together. But I like her. She's lightweight. Let me get the baby hairs. She got the baby hairs popping. You pull them all out the side, like so. And Ghetto Bike's supposed to be sending me a wig too, so I'm gonna do a review for that. The part is cute. It's giving party part vibes. I really don't look like I really need to put any makeup on the part. So, you know, because it looked like my part, looked like my hair, to be honest. Transparent. That's why they call it HD transparent, period. These days, if you want a good wig, you gotta pay the money. You gotta pay the queens, okay? I love the highlights. The highlights is it for me. It's it for me. It's it for your girl. So I'm gonna curl her, jam out to some music and curl her, and yeah, y'all gonna watch me do her up, period. If y'all like this video, hit that like button for your girl. If you want to see more wig reviews, hit that like button for your girl, and yeah, your girl will buy more hair for y'all and do reviews. The comb stay, everything stays really well. Like if you pull her, ain't no like pulling her, she gonna stay. homegirl sis gonna say, period. All right, let me dot the up for y'all. And that's it. You already know what time it is, period. Okay, let me dot the up for y'all, okay? All right, you guys, so we're gonna let my edges dry. She's cute, she curls cute. I love the curls, period. I love the curls, and we're gonna come back and I'm just gonna like let this sit, and then when I take it off, I'm gonna show you like the finished results, and your girl will be back, period. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below and say, sis, I'm the real MVP, because you know you are the real MVP, and your girl will be back. Okay, I'm back with the finished product, I swear. Your girl's totally feeling herself though. I'm feeling myself, It's the vibes for me, okay? Watch me work. Oh, these are the vibes that she's giving. She's giving auntie vibes, go out to the club vibes. That auntie like to go out to the club and check in, just go like this left and right, girl. It's giving me It's giving me vibes. She's giving me like, who man am I gonna take tonight? Who's somebody mean I'm gonna take tonight? Period. That's what she's giving me. She's giving me flawless. So y'all, this is it. She curls. She has like a cute curl right here, as you can see, real cute and laid and slayed, honey. Laid and slayed to the god. So if you like this video and you want to buy this hair, you want to buy this wig, child, it's in the description box below. Hit that bell notification for future videos. Whenever I post a video, you will know it. Okay, period. Hit that like button for your girl. Comment down below, because you know I want to know, honey, how did I do that? Girl, the girl is ready to go out tonight. The girls are ready. I'm ready, sis. The girls are ready. I love the color. I love the highlights. Guys, I can't wait to get my pixie cut wig, chat. I can't wait to get that one, honey. So the girls are giving vibes, period. So y'all know what to do. Comment down below, hit that like button for your girl, because you know I want to know. And I'll be back with another one. Peace, love, and hair grease, period.